Ooh, yes, that is really, really pretty. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Ipsy Extra for the month of April. I'll pop deets right here and we're gonna dive in. All right, before we dive in, thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting. This box is kindly gifted by Ipsy, so thank you so much. And I will also have my link to sign up in the pinned comment as well as in my description box. I do earn a commission if you do sign up, so thank you in advance if you do. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in. It is packaged beautifully. We have our little pamphlet on top. Everything is kind of in there nice and safe with a piece of foam. We will generally get a theme for the month. Ipsy April 2026, Dare to Daydream. This month, see yourself in a dreamy, new way with ultra feminine, romantic beauty that brings out your soft side. It will also give us pertinent dates and things like that. We do have the Mega Drop Shop coming up in May. We get a sneak peek for upcoming months and stuff like that. And then we do have a QR code where we can scan and get pertinent information about the products in our box. Keep in mind, this is just a spoiler for you guys. This is an idea of what you could get in your box and what I could get in my paid for box, because I have been a paying member of Ipsy since March of 2015. So I still get my paid for box. This is just an idea of what we could get. Okay, y'all. Looking really good already. First up is the Pink Lips Makeup Brush Set. This is a 2-piece face brush set. And they already feel like kind of nice and heavy and weighted, which is my preference. I like the shape of these. I like the color of these. So I'm already, y'all, we're starting off with a bang, in my opinion. Next up, we have the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl. This is in the Shimmering Mixed Berries. And I may be an exception to the rule. I know these go crazy viral. People love them. I do not like this formula, you guys. To me, it's just very, very kind of gushy and a little bit kind of too emollient and too wet. And I just feel like we get no wear time and they just kind of gunk on my lips. Maybe the vinyl is slightly different. If you have experience with that, let me know. But getting a pretty shimmery pink, I think, is a really beautiful touch for like springtime. Next up, we have the old school favorite, the Fab or First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream, the Intense Hydration Skin Protectant with Colloidal Oatmeal. And of course, it is a massive full size. And in our extra, we get 5 full size products, which I think we get a really great value for our money here. Next up is the Earth Harbor Horizon Ceramide Repair Serum. That sounds also amazing. And I feel like Earth Harbor is, they're a staple in a lot of subscription boxes. I've used them for years off and on. I think they have really beautiful quality products. And if you have any experience with any of these products, definitely let us know. And then last up in my Ipsy Extra for the month of April, we have a palette. This is the Live Sunset Blush palette. Oh, I'm excited. And Live is definitely also a staple. All right, there's the packaging. A little sneak peek. Ooh, yes, that is really, really pretty. We do have a nice size mirror, and we have 4 different shades here. I feel like we have a little bit of depth here. I'm not sure if there are color variations in this. I personally would like to see something that goes a little bit deeper than this. And it looks like these two have a little bit more of a shimmer kind of finish to them. Not necessarily shimmer. They're a little bit luminous, and then these seem more matte. Ooh, those feel like silk. Ooh. Those feel really nice, you guys. So as you can see, these two are a little lighter, and they have a little subtle luminous sheen to them, which you guys know are my favorites. I'm actually going to try on a little bit of one of the blushes, maybe 2 of them. I think I'm going to go right here to the softer shimmery pink. I do also have something on already, but I mean, already you can see the difference. And for as light as that is, it packs a pretty good little punch, y'all. Ooh, that is very pretty. And I am a fan of something with like a subtle sheeniness to it, a subtle little luminous quality to it. I think I'll go right here. Try that one as well. That one's kind of powdery. I'm going to put this one a little bit further up. Oh my god. That is definitely way more pigmented than I anticipate. Wow. Than I anticipated. But that's okay. Look, I love blush. It's okay, y'all. It is okay. Ooh. That sheeniness. Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful. Let me take a less is more approach on this side since I know how impactful that one is. Ooh. That's really pretty though. This is also something that I think is like perfect for that beautiful kind of ombre blush effect. Take one of the lighter shades and kind of put it all over and then kind of cascade that darker shade. That is stunning. Y'all know I don't usually keep like a lot of makeup products from like my gifted Ipsy and stuff like that, but I'm keeping this. This is beautiful. So to run that down again, I guess I could have demoed these. We have the blush palette, which of course you could use on your eyes. We have our brushes. We have the Earth Harbor Ceramide Repair Serum. We got the Maracuja Juicy Vinyl, and I think that's going to pair beautifully with the blush here. Put a little bit of blush on your eyes, use this for your lips, and then of course something for skincare, the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration from First Aid Beauty. I will note too, this is darn near close to the entirety for the entire box. So again, I think we get a great value, and I tend to kind of find that basically I'm paying for like one item. Everything else is kind of free, if you will. That's how I look at it. So I always feel like I get my money's worth. I always feel like I get a great bang for my buck. I'm excited as heck to see Choice. Choice opens today. It is open from the 1st to the 3rd, so don't forget to go in and make your choices. I need to remind myself to go make my choice. But I'm really excited, you guys. I'm excited to get my own box and kind of see what else they're offering for the month of April. I think they're stepping it up, and I really like this direction. I love this box. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I would love to know what you guys thought. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Don't forget to go make your choice. Let me know too if you watch this after you make your choice. What choice did you make? I'm really curious about that too. But thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you, of course, to Ipsy for gifting. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype the video. You can tap that bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.